Hey, it's me, your bestie, CoCo Bunni. Welcome to Life with CoCo Bunni. If you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're one of my day ones, hey girl, hey, again. So before I sat down, I had to take care of my baby Halo. Y'all already know he runs the house. But listen, when I opened my door today, this big box was waiting. My Lounge Bunni Collective sets are finally here. The autumn edit is in my hands, and I've been dying to share it with you. This has been late nights, early mornings, endless notes and calls, because I wanted this drop to feel perfect. Not just clothes, bestie, but cozy, confident, luxe vibes all at once. And when I unboxed it, whew, you are not ready. The colors, the textures, everything screams cozy fall. It's loungewear you can wear at home, but chic enough to step out and still serve looks. Whether you're grinding from home, running errands, or winding down with champagne on the patio, Lounge Bunni Collective is here to make sure you always look and feel like that girl. So mark your calendars, September 22nd, 2025. The autumn edit drops. Don't just meet me there, beat me there, and grab yours first. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single drop. See you in the next video. Blessed night, bestie.